Hi guys, long time no see, but I'm back with some new content for you guys and a lot has happened since my last video. First of all, Happy New Year! I've got big plans for this channel and I'll be sharing updates on everything I'm working on, both here and on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there too. Today's video is all about one of my biggest changes, my workshop. It used to be a complete mess, no space, tools everywhere, so I decided to rebuild from the ground up. It's not 100% finished yet, but it's almost there, and I wanted to show you guys how far I've come. Most of the video will be in photos since I was working alone and couldn't film every step, especially while working 50 hours a week. But from now on I'll try to capture everything I'm working on. Alright, enough talking, let's jump into the rebuild and enjoy the rest of the video.
Lucid days, I'm getting closer to unlock my consciousness. The poison's only building up my tolerance. We were never born to be the obvious, isn't it obvious? Time is slipping, dials spinning. I still wonder if I'm dreaming, or maybe I'm the only one who's wide awake. Am I the only one? Feel like I'm ascending. I've planned every step, I've seen everything, so it's no surprise I can't sleep. It's just the push that I need. I've gone past the point, I'm all in. I know that you're thinking that you're really gonna do it, but you never really do it like me. Time is slipping, dials spinning. I still wonder if I'm dreaming, or maybe I'm the only one who's wide awake. Am I the only one? To know where we are. Am I the only one? To know where we are. Am I the only one? Am I the only
And that's it for the workshop rebuild so far. I'm really happy how it's turning out and I can't wait to finish the final touches and show you guys the complete setup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram to see all the behind the scenes updates. I've got a lot more projects coming this year, so stay tuned, it's going to be an exciting ride. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.